fortunate to have Untangle technology that actually going to prevent a hair wrap. And yes, guys, this is Boomerang. She's a 16-year-old cat. And as you guys know, we do have two aging dogs and Boomerang. And again, it is very, very important to have a great solution. And yes, Boomy, do you like Emma? Do you like Emma? Let me know. And yes, guys, we are about to unbox Emma, and I'm going to let Boomy go and continue with her busy day. Yes, Boomy, go. I know you're busy. Yeah, she's very busy laying outside in the sun, guys, right now. And yes, let's see what's inside of our Emma. And also, guys, again, it comes with 33% more suction, which is 4,000 PA suction. So definitely, guys, make sure to check it out. And yes, guys, super excited that all of you can join me here on Amazon Live. And yes, guys, definitely check it out. And again, guys, Emma is actually comes with a 4,000 PA suction. And also, guys, you can create custom schedules with your Emma. It comes with a smart sensors, and they enable her to navigate your home with confidence while staying on the most effective cleaning route. And she performs up to 3 times faster than random navigating robot vacuums. How cool is that? Again, guys, it actually cleans in a zip-like motion. Also, again, it is always prepared to clean because it comes with a relatively larger dustbin. And again, Emma's longer main brush and 6 close side brush create much wider cleaning path, making quicker work of any room. And a larger dustbin means less frequent for emptying. And yes, guys, on full charge, it actually runs for 110 minutes. And also, guys, Emma's high-capacity battery keeps her going for up to 110 minutes. And like any pet, when she's tired, Emma automatically returns to her charging base to prepare for the next job. And yes, guys, 3 times more suction power makes your Emma extremely efficient and powerful. So definitely make sure to check it out. And yes, guys, it comes with a smart navigation system, zip-like motion, and remote app control, suction up to 2,000 PA. And again, guys, super excited that it was created with animals in mind. And you guys know that we actually have our cat Boomerang, as well as we also have 2 dogs. And yes, let's see what's inside the box we have about Emma. Yes, guys, I think I'll get up. It's much easier when you actually get up. And yes, guys, I had scissors somewhere. I can't find them because we actually did an unboxing yesterday, right? But I think a knife is also works, right? So I'll go get a knife. Super excited. All right. Let's see what we have inside the box. And again, there's just one little film that you need to open. Otherwise, it's extremely easy for you to open up. All right, so let's see, guys. Super exciting. All right. Okay, guys, here is your Emma. And look how well designed even the packaging is, right? How cool is that? And yeah, so this is the manual. Looks like this is the manual. And yeah, so it comes in English. It comes in so many languages, guys, like 10. It comes with a charging station, and then everything here is basically described to you. And again, I feel like once you download the app, you'll be able to easily figure out the rest, right? So make sure to do it. And as you guys know, when I unbox, I absolutely love to kind of intuitively feel what to do with the device, right? And again, it's part of it being extremely accessible. And yes, guys, again, there is a thank you card for your purchase. And here's your Emma. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely, absolutely love it. And again, okay, this is your charging cord for the base. I'm just going to put it on the side. And probably, guys, I should charge them soon. And again, I'm definitely going to do an updated stream about everything that I'll find out. Guys, look how beautiful your Emma is. Absolutely, absolutely excited. And guys, this is a mopping attachment as well. So it is a robot vacuum as well as it is a robot mop. Here is the base, and here is, I'm not sure what, I'm going to figure out what in just a couple of moments. Yes, guys, I'm absolutely, absolutely excited about all of my new robot vacuums by Trifo. All right. Okay, so you see that this is the side brush. Look how unique this side brush actually looks on your Trifo. Look how cool. Absolutely, absolutely excited. And the main brush is also relatively large. And again, it comes with 4,000 PA suction. And of course, you have to remove this part, which is the foam. And yes, guys, the foam actually protects the fluctuation system because, again, when it comes closer to some kind of object, it's actually going to fluctuate as well. How cool is that? And yes, guys, so let's see if we'll be able to connect our Emma to internet right now, and again, if it's charged or not. If not, that I'm going to give you an update soon. And yes, guys, so where is my Trifo app? All right. Okay, all right, 1 second, guys. Where is my Trifo app? Just download it. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to connect Emma, so I actually have to choose another robot within the app.